everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you tasty, delicious, sweet Gajrela recipe, and this is one of the favorite Indian dessert, Indian sweet. To make Gajrela, I have grated 4 cup carrots. This is how I grate the carrot. As you can see, really fast. Just wanted to show it to you so we can take a look how fast we can grate the carrots. So that's how I'm going to finish up the rest of the carrots. And good thing about doing with the food processor, this all stays the same. Nice and thin slices. As you've seen, it's so easy to do it with the machine, and if you don't have a machine, then you can use a grater and you can do it by hand. These are a green cardamom. I'm going to use 4 of these. I'm going to put it into mortar and pestle, and I'm going to grind it, and I'm going to make it nice smooth powder. Sugar is to taste. I'm using half cup. 3/4 cup, half and a half milk, couple tablespoon almonds and couple tablespoon cashews, desi ghee couple tablespoon. I have a posted video how to make desi ghee, so please check it out on my channel. So let's start making our delicious Gajrela. Start gas and we're going to get a karahi. First we're going to bring desi ghee. This is the clarified butter. 2 tablespoon desi ghee. And now we're going to bring the carrots. We're going to cook with desi ghee. So mix it well and keep cooking. The carrots, we washed it, has a lot of moisture, so it's going to release a lot of water. So we're going to keep cooking. On high gas, keep stirring so it won't get burned, and keep cooking. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. So I'm going to cook additional 5 more minutes with desi ghee. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking on high gas. And as you can see, it's no more moisture. And now I'm going to bring the gas to medium, add sugar. We're not going to add any water. As the sugar going to melt, we're going to see more liquid into our carrots. See, now it starts to look more watery. So keep mixing. This is very important to bring the gas to medium. So once it's nicely combined, bring the gas to medium-low, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 10 minutes. Stir it occasionally so it won't get burned. The whole reason we are cooking on medium-low gas with the cover lid so that the carrots will get tender. On medium-low gas, cooking for exactly 10 minutes. I did open it once and I stirred it, and now I'm going to open it again. Now bring the gas to medium. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, add milk. I turn up the heat to medium, and depending on your burner size, I have a big burner, so medium could be a medium high for you. So now we're going to keep cooking until all the milk dries up. With open lid, keep it moving and keep cooking. This is how the Gajrela look after 5 minutes. After adding the milk, I cook on medium gas. We need to cook 5 more minutes. As for cardamom powder, I took the seeds and I grind it nicely. The cardamom powder brings the flavor. It gives a nice smell to our gajrela. Almonds, cashews, mix it well and keep cooking. Another 5 minutes. Altogether we cook for 10 minutes, and if you see, if I try to move out, this is all desi ghee. There is no moisture or no milk or anything. Gajrela is all ready. So this is fully cooked. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving karai ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at how delicious, tasty Gajrela. It's very delicious. Let me share with you. Tasty and delicious Gajrela is all ready. You can garnish with some more almonds. Tasty, and please try it and you're going to like it. This is one of the finest appetizer or dessert recipe in the winter time. I hope you like it, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.